siding, and trees. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Amory, or 31 miles north of River Falls, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Amory around 4:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Clear Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near a lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm.